So my name's Lizzie, I'm one of the academic F1s in Wrexham this year. My first placement was my academic placement, which was in palliative medicine, and then I was on gastro medicine, followed by breast surgery, which I'm on at the moment.
My name is Darush Hassazadeh and I'm an F1 here at the Maelor.
So my name is Jamie Hines, I'm one of the doctors in Wrexham Maelor Hospital.
So I'm Nathan and I'm one of the academic F1s here at Wrexham Maelor.
I was quite anxious at first because I didn't know anybody before I started here, but it quickly became apparent everyone was so friendly. Even everyone that knew each other before they came, very friendly, welcomed us all. All the staff were so nice and helpful, everyone's just here to help each other.
It was quite nerve-wracking because I just moved from London, I didn't know anyone, but I met two really good friends of mine, Sahel and Jamie, first day, who ended up being my flatmates, and they were quite, we saw it all in the same situation. And it was strange being somewhere different, but I think within the first few days everyone put themselves in the same position and we had a good time.
Yeah, so when we first started I was pretty excited to start work, very excited to start earning some money. I was pretty pleased with where I ended up. I feel very happy in Wrexham and I was looking forward to explore the area a bit more. And yeah, we've had there's a good group of us that all live together and get on very well with each other, so it's been quite a good experience.
It was quite intimidating at first. I think everyone feels a bit intimidated coming into a new job. But everyone was like really friendly, helpful, showed me around quite well. And I actually came here as a student, so I knew the place quite well.
It highlights both the friends that we made here, which is really cheesy, I know, but all of the F1s got on really well, which is really nice because we all support each other, and if someone's having a bad day, then we all just help that one out and it's returned to you when you're having a bad day, which is amazing. From the academic point of view, the project that I was working on with my consultant, we're going to present that in Madrid at the European Palliative Care Conference, and that's in a few weeks now, so that's on the academic hand.
Yeah, I feel like medical school teaches you a lot about the theory of how to be a good doctor, but it's only when you start working as a doctor you feel you can actually do stuff. And there have been a number of situations where I felt like my input has helped the patient and in some cases helped save their lives, so I think that's been a highlight for me. From a personal point of view, I think it's just nice being an adult finally after 6 years at university. You can actually say, I'm not a student anymore, I'm an adult doing stuff, so that's quite fun, I suppose.
I've enjoyed training here. I think the hospital's really good. I think there's lots of teaching opportunities and opportunities to get into theatre and take on some practical skills that I didn't get in bigger hospitals. So I think I've learned quite a lot from that side, which I'm quite happy about. And in terms of the location itself, I think I've been able to explore as well around the area, so that's been really good as well.
I think highlights for me are getting to sample quite a few interesting cases and patients. The teams are quite flexible, so if you're in surgery for instance, which I've just finished, you get to go and visit other specialties within surgery, and the consultants are quite happy to let you go and see things that you're interested in and all that kind of thing, really. Other highlight is living in the hospital accommodation here as well with all the other F1s, which is I think something that's unique to Wales as far as I'm aware. Is the free accommodation, and we get to know each other quite well before we start work, and even when we're in work there's a good kind of community feel to it. So that's another big plus for me.
I'm actually really sad I'm not staying in Wrexham next year, and as the time gets closer I'm getting sad that it's coming to an end, and I can't believe how quickly it's gone. I will definitely miss it.
Yeah, I will. I want to change the scenery, so I'm going to move down south, but I will miss it,
Yeah, I'm sure I'll come back again. I'm not going to stay up here in North Wales next year, but I'll definitely come back again, explore Snowdon a bit more and see what else I can find.
Yeah, I think I will. I'm not here in August. That's the way things have panned out. But I would have liked to have stayed, and it's been a great kind of place to do my F1. I think a good ground in all aspects of medicine, and good to kind of settle in and into a working environment, and also socially as well. It's been a fantastic experience, so I'd really recommend it.